Hello, my amazing viewers. Welcome back to the series and yet another episode. So, today I will be going to be talking about manipulation, which is number 5 here on the list, and also I'll be talking about time. So, welcome back to the series and let's dive into today's topic. Anyways, how are you doing and how have you been finding the other episodes? I hope you've been finding them insightful and I'm covering the topics very well to the best of my knowledge. Please let me know on the comment section. Thank you. So today we're going to be talking about manipulation. So manipulation in the market is it simply means like a fake move before you you will see the true intention of the market makers. Like let's say you're looking for a buy setup and markets will just treat you as if it wants to sell before you see the true buys in the marketplace. So as a candle trader, as a CRT trader, we look out for manipulations a lot, manipulation and time a lot. So what we have here is gold weekly chart, and I'll be using it to explain manipulation in a little bit. So on the weekly chart, based on hindsight, and also this is a trade I took like 4 weeks ago, around this candle here. Yeah, this candle and this candle that was very my intervals. So I'll be using it to explain manipulation and why it is important. So with that said, let's take this list away. Let's take this list away and dive into today's topic. So let's look at this range here, this bullish range that I marked out, the range low, as you can see here. So let's indicate it as CRT low, and this high here as CRT high, and let's concentrate on the manipulation candle, which is this. I hope you can see this vertical line here. So for the sake of this episode, let me use the default template. This and this, all right. So you can see the default template, and where is the style? Okay, yes. All right, let's go. So this this range, this weekly range we have here, we had an inside bar where price was failing to take either the highs or the lows. Then we had the manipulation candle. So now, before we go to the lower time frame to explain the manipulation, you can see the key level that was marked out here, which is the weekly fair value gap as the key level. So manipulation is simply when you're looking for what buys and we have a key level like this. We have a key level like this and you're looking for buys. So you see price move in this structure where you see price consolidating above the key level, and eventually they'll make a fake sharp move into the key level like this, tricking people that they want to sell. Then you will see this. So when this happens, it's known as a manipulation into your key level, and a manipulation to take out what sell stops, like to take out sell stops in the marketplace before they push up to the upside. Okay, so let's see let's see what happened here inside of this manipulation candle. Yeah, and so since it's a weekly range we're looking at, we'll go to the 4 hours to look for what a better structure and a better read in price action. So here on the 4 hours, you can see the opening time of the candle, and as well the opening price of the manipulation candle. So let's go back to the weekly time frame a bit and mark next candle as well to indicate the open and close of this particular week here. So if we go to the 4 hours again, now we have that manipulation week, which is this, and around here is the open, and around here is the close of that manipulation week. So manipulation, on the other hand, you want to first of all mark out your key level on the higher time frame, which you saw me mark on the weekly chart, which is the fair value gap, and you want to see price do what open, which you can see here, open dump below previous liquidity pool. Are you seeing these old lows here? This is a previous liquidity pool, old lows, and this one here also is a previous liquidity pool. So you want to see price open dump into the key level, taking out pre-manipulation liquidity pools or pre-manipulation liquidity pool or pools. In this case, we had this low here as the pre-manipulation liquidity pool before hitting the key level. So once that criteria is in play, and price successfully dumped below this low and hits the key level. So a confirmation is one close, like one close above the candle that stabbed into the old low. You can see how that thick 4 hour candle close, this thick 4 hour candle close stabbed into this pre-manipulation liquidity pool, then hits the key level. So a confirmation is one single close above this 4 hour candle. So this will now become your model number one. So after the close above, this then becomes your model number one. So that's your model number one, and you can see how price did what price accumulated long position at the model number one, the opening price, all the way down to the 50% of it. And you can see how they failed to exceed the low of the model number one. So that is what's a good example of what manipulation. So for every move to occur, for every impulse move to occur in the market, you will see some sort of manipulation into a key level, taking out old liquidity pool or pools, taking out old pre-manipulation liquidity pools into the key level, and before you see expansion like this. And you can see how price has been respecting the model number one after a close above this one specific candle, this 1 4 hour candle that stabbed into the old pre-manipulation liquidity pool, which is this, into the key level. So after a single close above, you can then enter as the model number one, which you can see here. So that's manipulation. That's manipulation, and that's manipulation explained in hindsight. So I don't want to make this video too lengthy, so I'll be talking about time on the next episode. So thank you for watching to this very point of the video. Please rewatch this video as many times as possible for you to understand better, and let me know on the comment section how this series has helped you. Hope you find this video insightful. Hope you find this video insightful. Until I see you again on the next episode, good luck and good trading.